Hi there, everyone. Look, we got a fire going. Santa's here. The tree's lit. Oh, you can't see up there, but I have Santa up there too. We are going to be opening up the last of the soft squares. So I have a box B, and the days I have left are days 18 through 25. So let's start out. Could it be some maracas? Let's see. I think we all kind of know what this is, but let's go for it. We have, I said it. These clips are wonderful and one of my all-time favorite notions. I have them everywhere and find they tend to get tied up in my UFOs. If you're like me, you need more of these wonderful wonder clips. So here are 100 of your new best friends. And you know what? She's so right. I don't ever have enough of these because I grab handfuls and put them in with things, and then I go in the bowl and it's like, what happened to them all? So this is wonderful. We have, can you see? There it is, sewing clips. I'm not re-gifting these, so I'm gonna open them up because I did need them. And here they are. Beautiful colors. Love them, love them, love them. See, you can go in front. My helper's here today to help me. She came by to see her mama. We have day 19. She's my camera assistant too this week. We have Advent B. Day 19, as quilters, we love fabric and can use some fat quarters. This cute set is surely sweet. How will you use it? I don't know how to use it, but I love me some fat quarters. Look at how pretty. And last year, I got from the Soft Squares a fat quarter book. So I may have to look in that book to find what I can make with these. So we have this one. Look at how pretty. I love how cheerful these are. They're springy and calling my name. And this is a line. I'm gonna have to figure out what line this is. This is beautiful. And these are Riley Blake. And it is called Stay Wild. Stay Wild by Riley Blake. I really love them. They're beautiful. All right, on to the next. Oh, it's, I think, one of those containers. So we have that. Yes, it is. Look at that. And we have, these items are great for your purse. I like to have a deck of cards handy and can always use a nail file. The light is a must-have and is helpful for handy work, for working in less than ideal lighted work areas. Okay, let's see. Lynn says that her purse is like the black hole. All right, we have some Lori Holt Hometown playing cards. Honey and I, we play cards all the time, so that will be fabo. A cute little nail file. And she's right, a purse light. You hang this on your purse, and look at that. And this comes from Carolina Moore. So Carolina Moore Patterns, she has her own website where she has her patterns and her templates. Clip this purse light along the top edge of your interior pocket of your purse to help you easily find everything inside. It's a great accessory for any handmade purse or bags because I think she makes a lot of purses and bags. That is super cute. Love that. I think that would be good in my sewing bag because you all know when I go camping and I try to sew, it's always good to have another light. So I like that. I actually always go get Honey's light, his headlight.
And clip it on the outside of your purse and then you have light in front of you.
Yeah, I could clip it on the outside. You're right. Oh, we love these. This is to hold your rulers. See right there. Or a template. And we have another one of our little boxes. And this says, I find that even though I am an experienced quilter and have been using rotary cutters for many, many years, what I am better off when I have something like this. The ruler gripper handle, that's that. And keeps fingers away from the blade and will give stability to the ruler. And then in the box, she has a measuring tape. That's always good to put in multiple places. And we have an Olfa rotary blade, 45. We always need those. Actually just changed my blade this morning on my travel rotary cutter. All right, 22. Uh-oh, I feel a project bag. I feel a project bag. Let's see what's up. I was right. Project bag. I'm saving the pretty ones to reuse.
Okay.
Even though we're not really doing Christmas like that, but still saving it. Ooh. I actually wanted some of this fabric. It's a purple fabric, I think. Here we go. We have this right here. It is Who Loves the Ease of a 3-Yard Quilt Pattern. This quilt is called Arcade and looks great with any fabric combination. She is so right. Arcade was launched last year at the Quilt Festival, and it is a lovely, lovely pattern. So we have that. And then we have, and this is the Sandy, Hello Spring by Sandy Gervais. I love her stuff, and I love butterflies and purple. I don't know if these are tailored, but she got me. Then we have a yard of confetti cotton. And then this one here is also Hello Spring by Sandy Gervais. And this is what we will be looking at. Here we are. And we have our pattern. So let's see, let's put this away. You know what? She's gonna do it for me. Thank you. And we have 23. We're getting so close. I don't want it to end. I need to have a advent calendar for my birthday in January, so I could do this again. Advent B, day 23. To-do lists are what make my world run smoothly. I'm not gonna read because we want to see what's in here. Look at that. So there is a pen and a beautiful daily planner list maker. And just in case, if you're not sweet enough, she gave you some Smarties. Wonder if that's saying she's pretty smart for giving us a list. And then we have 24. I'm feeling it, and I'm feeling fabric. I'm feeling fabric. I'm petting fabric. I know there's got to be some fabric in here. Let's see. And I love the gingerbread men. Look at this, and the gingerbread women. I'm a gingerbread crazy. You know that. Yes, fabric. Yes. She did this for the A box. And let me tell you, I can never have enough of this stuff. So this is white out. I see white. Hopefully where you live, you see white outside. Well, we saw that yesterday. She is giving us not 1 yard, not 2, but 3 yards of Riley Blake's confetti white cotton. I mean, come on. I mean, this is great. This is fabulous. So useful. Thank you. There it goes again. What is going on? I know you are all laughing at me right now. I know you're all laughing at me. I don't know what to do with
Need a
that.
blanket.
That's funny. All right. All right. So here we are. This is so heavy. It's a good thing I'm lifting it up now because I wouldn't be able to lift it up next week. Here we are. This will definitely be out of limits for how much I could lift. Let's see. Whoa, I did not expect this. Wow, are you kidding me? A whole rolling cart? Really? A whole rolling cart, Lynn? A rolling cart. There's no way any admin box is giving you a rolling cart.
Organization.
Oh my gosh. Wow. There is something on here. I wasn't expecting a rolling cart. This is fabulous. I know this is going to go with me somewhere. This is going to go with me somewhere. Yep. Wow. I cannot believe I'm opening up a rolling cart right now. Let's just put it this way. This puppy is going on an airplane. All right. So we have a coupon, an amazing coupon right here. Amazing coupon for if you bought this box. This is the box you have been waiting for. What's in it? Why is it here? How in the heck did this end up in an advent box? That's what I'm wondering. That's a very expensive thing to end up in a advent box. And what do I do with it? Well, these are all great questions. You will be able to assemble this with an easy picture instructions. Don't be shy, give it a try, then show everyone how you use it. And let me tell you, I have one in here, and I have one in my other room, which is my long arm cart. And this one is going to be heading with me for when I go away. Look at that, honey. Got that for a sewing room. That was perfect. Thank you, Lynn. I don't even know what to say. If you have not bought this box for next year, go on over to Soft Squares because Lynn told me that she already is taking pre-orders on her boxes. So run over there because I mean I don't even know what to say. This has been so fabulous. I didn't think she could top last year, and she did it. She did it again. I don't know. She must think advent boxes every day, 365 days a year to outdo herself. Now look, we got that advent box. Oh, let me try to get up off of this chair again. And remind you here, let's see, where is it? Huh, I don't even know where I put it. They're used to this. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Just to remind you, not only did you get that rolling cart, but you got this whole organizational system that's all filled with all the different buttons. And you should see boxes. You should see my daughter's face right now because she did not see this. So yeah, I say you need to go over and get yourself a box for next year. It's a down payment. You pay your box throughout the year. So everyone, this is a wow for me. Thank you, Lynn. Thank you, Soft Squares. I'm so happy I ordered this box. Last year, honey gifted me this box for this year. So everyone, have a wonderful day. you know, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, whatever it is that you celebrate, just happy everything. And you will see me soon because I have so much more to show you. And this channel is thriving, and I want to thank you all. And I appreciate you all out there for watching everything that I post. And I will see you soon. Please remember to like, subscribe, share my channel. And what was your favorite thing that I opened today? See you soon. Bye.